All right. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Today is December 27th, 2019. Oh boy. What do we have here? Bitcoin, BTC USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. Let's check it out. I'm still in it. For good or bad, I'm still in it. I've just been riding this baby for, well, my initial purchase was on that candle, and we're looking at 30 days. 30 days of being in this trade and just screaming sideways. Okay. Got a nice little buy down here right at the tippy tip right there. Rode it up a little ways, sold a little early. Also bought back in on this pullback here. So yeah, I'm just waiting for a bounce. I think we're still going to get that bounce up to $9,208 is my target. I think we could get up here pretty easily. Well, I don't say easily. I think we probably, if I was to pull a range, I'd say we'd probably get into about that range. But that's my target. We'll see what happens if we can get that high or not. Okay, so BTC, I'm still bullish on the USD chart. Let's look at LTC BTC. Check that one out. Things are starting to heat up for LTC BTC. Looking pretty good. We're getting some volume coming in here. We're getting a little bit of lift here, and we're contesting the 9-day moving average. We'll see if we can live above it. I need a full open and close above the 9, and then that would be a real nice entry point for me, and maybe we could run higher. As of right now, I'm not going to get in this. I think it's possible that we pull down into this bubble here. I got a target for LTC BTC at 0.0052. So thinking that it's possible that we get maybe a little bit of lift and then right back down into the mud. We are struggling to get out of this area of resistance. That's what this big red line or big red block is right here. And that goes way back. Well, I don't want to pull it out right now, but it goes way back in time. So let's jump into, I would stay out of this. LTC USD is at $40.83 on the 1 day for Coinbase. And things are heating up for this one. Also, it's still not a buy yet. We got our first good day here. We're contesting the 9. We're trying to live and breathe above it, but it's still not there. 35 target was just, my 35.37 target was just missed, but it was good enough to say, hey, maybe we could go bull. I'm just not seeing any of the indicators saying let's go bull just yet. Also, too, on the LTC USD, we have this beautiful uptrend line right here that is acting as support, and we haven't quite touched it yet. We got close, but not quite. So we're going to need a little bit more further to go, maybe either out in time or down. But, the market sometimes likes to trade sideways. Actually, it likes to trade sideways quite a bit. And we'll see what happens on that support. If it holds or if it breaks through, I'm not really sure. But right now we're saying stay out of it. ETH BTC is at 0.017. So ETH BTC, boy, it did hit a weak target bounce right here on the 0.5. I thought it was going to go higher. It did not. Really, this was my number one target up here. I thought we'd bounce a lot higher, and still we haven't broken this low yet. So that being said, let me put that in there. Right. So as long as we don't break this low, the target is still in play, and we could get a bounce coming inbound that pushes us up, maybe even up to these targets higher. That is quite possible, but I am not saying to get in it yet. Everything is still very much down. We have signs of life, but it's not there yet. We want to let the market make the first move. So we need to live and breathe above the 9, and we need RSI levels and God mode levels to push up higher. Okay, ETH USD is at $126.05. Same thing. Stay out of it for now. Yeah, not too interested in getting involved with this. XTZ Tezos was a market darling and pushing up really hard, and now we've topped here. We got our nice little double top, and we're pulling back down here. Right now we're pulling back at the 382 level, but I'm really looking for a 618 or maybe a 786. So we'll see, but stay out of it for now. RSI and other indicators are not looking good. How about XTZ USD is at $1.37, pulling back. We had a high of 186, and it's been pulling back from there. Doesn't look too good. What's the percentage loss on that so far? We're down about 27%. It's going to go further. I'm thinking it is. We're getting a little bit of a relief on the 50-day moving average. I'm not sure if it's going to hold or even if we're going to get a little bounce, but we could get a little bounce and then pull back again. So keep that in mind. I think we needed a bigger pullback on this. Bitcoin Cash BTC on the 1 day for Coinbase. Let's check it out. It's looking really good. We're putting in a buy here, right here, and see where it takes us. Keep your stops short and see what happens here. We could go as high as the 200-day moving average, which is inbound, coming down here. And maybe even as high as 0.032. So that would be a possibility heading up to this area right here. But it looks good. I like it. Bitcoin Cash USD is $202.28 currently, and it looks like a buy right now. I like this. If you get into this, keep your stops tight. It could pull right back down and leave a big ugly wick up there and leave a lot of investors out in the rain. Okay, Ethereum Classic BTC. We're calling this a top. We called that a top yesterday. Top pullback. Oop, how'd that get over here? There you go. There you go, right there. So we called that a top yesterday. We said we're going to pull back, and today we are pulling back. It's possible. The reason why I have this tag purple is over here is because I believe that this could be a buyback on the 9 situation. Here, let me just, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to say that. Let's go buyback. Oop, what am I doing? Buyback on 9. There you go. So you got that. Press OK. Boom. So this is the 9-day. The white is the 9-day moving average. It's coming up here. So we're saying that is a possible buyback on the 9 where you would sell it up here and then you would catch that 9 on the way up. So, and it could bounce again. If you're looking at Elliott wave, you could have a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's already topped. Or it could be thinking about pushing higher. I'm not sure that it will, but if you're saying the 618 was a target that was reached, it was close to the 618. Maybe it sold off there, but it could pull back and then run again to the 786 or even higher beyond. If we break the top, then who knows where it'll go. But we're saying that this is a possible buyback on the 9. If it shows real weakness on the 9, then I would say just stay out of it at that point. But right now we're saying that looks toppy. Ethereum Classic USD is at $4.48 and also has a top pullback. So with that being said, buyback on the 9, I'm going to put that in here because I think it's helpful for people to see what I'm thinking. There you go. And buyback on 9. There you go. And I'm going to pull that over so it's not in the way. And yeah, on this one, we did get a bounce a little higher to the 702. We could still bounce up a little higher after that. But if you see weakness here, don't buy it on the 9. Just let that weakness play out and see if maybe you can catch it lower. So that is also a possibility. XRP BTC on the 1 day for Coinbase. Let's check this one out. Yeah, stay out of it. There's nothing here. XRP USD is at 18 cents on the 1 day for Coinbase. We're getting some volume coming in right now. RSI averages are doing okay. This would have been a nice little scalp area. If you would have caught this bottom here, you could have ridden it up just a little bit, but we're saying stay out of it for now. EOS BTC is looking good. Yesterday we got in on this, and so far all indicators are looking excellent. We're going to see where it takes us. Maybe it could take us as high as 00038 or 00039, somewhere around there. I can put targets up there for you just to kind of make it a little easier to see. We like these ones, and I'm going to color that one red. Boom. And we're going to do this one here. These are both valid targets. Boom. Okay. And then I can pull that back like that. And let me mark that for you, because, you know, marking these is important so you can kind of see what we're thinking about. There's a sell area right there. And then this one here, we have a sell area right there also. Okay, good. So EOS, BTC, those are our bounce targets, and we'll see where it brings us to. EOS USD is at 2.56, $2.56 on the 1 day for Coinbase. EOS USD, we're in this. We'll see where that takes us. Also, I'm going to pull this back and see where a bounce target could bring us. How about here to there, right? Yeah, that would be nice. And we'll hit that target right there. And this one here, pretty much the same thing. That's your 618. This one is your 786. I got it in reverse, but you guys get it. And then let's go like that. There you go. There you go. And I'm going to label these with, here you go. There's that one. And this one here as well. There you go. Okay. So $3.10 and $3.34 is targets upcoming for this possible bounce. Okay. XLM Stellar Lumens. You know what? It's rallying, it's trying, but I would stay out of it for now. Let it prove itself. Stellar Lumens USD is also trying. I would stay out of that. Rep BTC, stay out of that. Rep USD is at $9.29 on the 1 day for Coinbase. Stay out of it. It's coming down. 0x BTC, stay out of it. No sign of life yet. 0x USD, stay out of it. How about ZEC? ZEC BTC is 0038 currently, and I would stay out of this as well. ZEC USDC is a stay out of it situation. Algo USD, stay out of it. Link USD, it's getting better. It's warm. It's heating up, but it's not there yet. It could be tomorrow, possibly tomorrow. BAT USDC, stay out of it. It's going to try to live above the 9. Let's see if we can get an open and close, full open and close above the 9 before we get into it. GNT, ooh, nice wick down. If you would have caught this wick down here, that would have been a nice little pickup, but stay out of it. Mana USD is topping. We set a top, buy back on 9 possibility. And we'll see what happens here. If this 9 can come up, if we can catch that 9, well, that'll be sweet. And it could run higher. Loom USD is still a sell. Stay out of it. I said it could go bullish. That was yesterday. Sure enough, it did. It came up a little bit, and it's pulled back. So we'll see what happens here with that 9 situation. Otherwise, it's not a buy yet, but it could be tomorrow. Civic CVC, stay out of it. Doesn't look good yet. It's a lot of money is leaving the market basically. DNT is also a sell at this point. Yeah, I wouldn't get into this. Okay, that's it for today, guys. It looks like our winners are BTC, Bitcoin Cash, and EOS. The rest of them are stay out of it situations for now, or possible buybacks later. Okay, God bless you. I'm out of here. See ya in the chat group, and I'm out.